Chevy Caprice, of course.
High class street music.
We go a couple donks right here. You got the Dunk Dewey on Screwy Louis on the 4Gs. Couple Dunk Deweys. Another Dunk Dewey on some Screwy Louis Corleone. Another Dunk Dewey on Screwy Louis with the gold spokes, with the custom Gucci rag top. Another Caprice classic. Got a 71 Chevy Impala. Rag top. And also bird. Sorry. Got a 75 Chevy Caprice Classic. Clean paint job, clean interior. Sitting on them buttons, of course.
Buttons, you bitch.
What's going on? This you?
Yeah, no,
This one? Oh, that shit nice. What year is it? 7 Trey? Yeah, that shit clean. Of course. And you got the bird. Where you from? Okay, cool. Oh, y'all do dance out there? Oh, I ain't know that. Okay, cool. Yeah, that shit clean. Yeah. Definitely, dog. Yeah, I see. That shit nice, clean. You say y'all from Tampa? Lakeland?
Flyer than most, Louis V. coat. Gas station, coffee cup full, long drive over. Money came by happiness, but she found love inside the G. Needed something to eat, that's all the thug niggas who wearing them on my shoes. 1 minute I'm gone, running back. Go your way, I go my way, that's all I do. Trying to find my ass, this cup, but I'm not shooting that. Baby, like I'm done, talking with you, I'm sitting there, no one need to go. I was on the wheel, sipping, chasing with my weekend.
take a look at the promised land. And we got a custom Chevy Impala. This is nasty. The details. It's chrome everything. My man got the mustard and mayonnaise on the wheels with the spokes. That Chevy Caprice Classic. Looking nasty. The customization and everything is just gold trim, everything. Even the AC vents got gold trim on them. God damn. Got another old school donk. Big boy engine, big block. Some big boy Corleone portraits. Got the tigers, like Scarface. And these are the awards for the car show winners. This is some big boy shit, I ain't gonna lie. Nah, these are nice. Ross really outdid himself, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, they are. Yeah. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie.
These motherfuckers mad that I might see.